since I uploaded a video. So this will be my first vlog ever since I started this channel. I'm going to make it a weekly vlog, right? So right now I'm just going to take a shower and then go get some eyelashes because I have a client tomorrow. Today it's Thursday, the 27th of October. Okay, so I'm about to head out. I'm just wearing this dress from Fashion World, and yeah, I'll continue this vlog when I get to the store. Hey guys, so welcome back to my Messsy vlog. So today is a Friday, it's the 28th of October, and I have a client. I have to do her makeup today because she is graduating. So I'm just gonna head out to, because yeah, after I just had my mood check, I'm just gonna head out to Messsy, and then from there I'm gonna go to town, check out something to wear for tomorrow, because tomorrow I have to attend a house committee handover at campus, and then and then I'm gonna come back home because I have a test of which I tried today, and yeah, I'll take you guys with when I get busy, and obviously tomorrow I'll also take you guys with. So yeah, let's get right into it. See you guys when I go to town. Like they had a birthday sale, so that's what I bought. So I bought 3 things, actually 4 things. so ke busy mo ke tshasa glue because ke batla go installa moriri akere. So this is just the glue got to be ntse ke le busy ke tshasa yana mo. He o itse re tla jaga moriri. Hi. Anyway, so now I put on my weave, and here I was just trying to cut out the lace, you know, to ensure that ha ke tla go tsenya penthouse ya ka weave ya ka ebe ele sharp wa tlhalohanya. So I was just busy cutting the lace here, and then I used some mousse to revive the curls, you know, and I had already my thingy, my my pantyhose. So yeah, no guy inside because ke rata ke batla go dira di edge wa tlhaloganya ke re normally se ke re ke ntsha pantyhose so fast molenza o ka ono o ke dira di edges, and then when I'm done ka di edges tsa ke gone tla ke tsenya pantyhose gape molenza wa ka ke o rwala because na ga rena donyana tsetsa lo itse man donyana tse di fancy tseno tse tse leng goreng batho ba di tsenya ba bana like I don't know, like these elastic bands. I don't have that, so I was just using like my own style, you know, slaying on a budget. So yeah, this is just me brushing up my hair because now I wanted to see my edges properly and to ensure that the sharp or like the sharp or not too much whatsoever. And I was also trying to ensure that like because I was so late, like I was very late. But no matter how late you are, you need to ensure that the hair is you are proper, you are looking proper, you know, you are looking proper in all kinds of ways, like makeup, hair, outfit, check. So I was just busy trying to make sure that my hair is perfect because wow, I did not want any surprises. I did not want to be looking like, you know, I did not want to be looking like a zombie. I needed to look like a 10 out of 10 minus nothing. So this is just me ensuring that happy like the edges are gonna be sharp before you know the final stage the most important thing ever ke go tsenya molenza gore wike gago e dule e re tla ba bana e re tla ba mo moriri wa mo tlhogong ya gago. So yeah, ke ga ke heditsane ka di edge ya no ke bere go tsikeng ere ke tse molenza ke o tsenye wa bana ke tse molenza ke o tsenye because ga gona nako ya no e setse chaile ene no ha se ke be ke dira le makeup wa bana bothata bo ke bone boa. So from there I had to do my eyebrows. So my eyebrow pencil I buy it from the street vendors. They sell it for only 10 rand, you know, for only 10 rand. So I was busy drawing my eyebrows and then filling them in as well. Please make sure that you draw your eyebrows according to your brow bone, okay? So I was just busy filling them in with an eyebrow pencil, and then from the guys, never mind the noise, never mind any excessive noise that you guys hear. So yeah, I can say really busy mo ka di eyebrow trying to like my things to go bad because the evolution like I prefer doing my eyebrows off cam because really it's just a waste of time. They take long, you know, they really take long. Anyway, the next step now was to conceal my eyebrows, bottom and top, you know. I did not even like show my makeup products that I used because really your girl was so late. Your girl was really late, like but anyway we push. So yeah, I was just busy trying to conceal my eyebrows, and then I decided for I wanna like base my eyelids. I had to do the eyeshadows off cam. Ke dirile my eyeshadows off cam. So and then yo, hi Shem. Today it has been a struggle. From here I had to just blend like out my highlight and contour, you know, my concealer, because I used concealer for my under eyes, my nose, my chin, my forehead, and just below my cheekbones. So I was just using a beauty blender to blend out that concealer, and yeah, you know, you don't want to be looking all weird. Go back to, you need to blend out your concealer, you blend out your highlight, and you know, a nice hack is like after applying your concealer, wait for it to dry up before blending out. I'm just gonna onto my face with a powder. Usually I use this color from the eyeshadow palette. So after contouring my face, I decided to use some translucent powder, you know, just to set my face. Basically setting all the areas in which I used my concealer to highlight them, which is just below my cheekbones, my forehead, my chin, you know, my nose, and yeah, basically I also just used like a brush, you know, just to dust off that translucent powder. And please note that I'm also using a translucent powder, Yako Signature. Next time I do a get ready with me, like I'll just include everything that I use for my makeup in that video. So right now I'm just dusting off all these areas, like dusting off the translucent powder. Yeah, and then from there I applied some lipstick, you know, from Hermosa Flow Cosmetics, but then I added my own Vavavoom because I felt like this red was not giving me, you know, the vibes. So, and plus I didn't apply like any lip liner, so I only did that at a later stage, and I added a bit of purple just so that my lips can be a bit more nicer. And yeah, I'm loving the hair. Also please take note that this is synthetic hair that I purchased from Lene. She's available on TikTok, she's available on WhatsApp, Facebook, and yo, I'm loving the lip combo, guys. I'm loving the lip combo. This is my new favorite color instead of just plain red, like yo. Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Yo, hi Shem. Hi. Tombo. Let me get rest. Yo, everything today was just a disaster. Go home again. A disaster. Because I even have to like do my makeup off cam, because wow, it was just a disaster. Like yo, looking at a 10 minus nothing. Yeah, I think I should just get dressed and then yeah, I think I'm just gonna get dressed. This is my first installation, by the way. Oh, gosh, disastrous, Leonie. Very much disastrous. I'm loving the hair though. Let me just highlight my face a bit. Let me just highlight my face. Should I leave the hair just like this? Yeah? Wait, I'm just gonna show you guys now. Maria va tla di pen. The way you are dira ka teng. Guys,
so you should be okay with it. No.
Okay, fine. The board members have spoken. Shaba! Should I put on a necklace? Okay guys, so now I'm just gonna head out to the event because I don't really have much time left. I'll see if I can take you guys through when I get there. Just, you know, some content, but yeah, let us just continue with this Messsy vlog. I don't even think I've reached 5 days in my life yet with this vlogs, but I'll just show you guys. Maybe tomorrow we can do something together because today it's a Saturday, the 29th of October. So yeah, I don't know, I'll just see if I'll be able to shoot some content. If I won't be able
this
to
is
shoot
at the
some
event.
content,
It was not really formal,
we'll
but
see.
anyway,
We'll just
bought
figure
a son,
something out.
bought the next day we decided, let's have a braai. My friends and I decided to have a braai, and then yeah, we just had chicken, by the way. No red meat, no red meat at all. And then I decided already king slap papa and then our meat was almost ready, and then later on we went to Motswako for some chilled vibes. And I guess like we've reached the end of our vlog. So basically I vlogged for 4 days in my life. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Thank you for watching.